Our colleagues from AP&C, Collibrium Additive and GE Aerospace are in Avio Aero this week, really as collaborative problem solvers. While using flight deck, our lean operating system, we want to increase the safety of our powder handling processes, the quality of our products, and the productivity of our shop floors.
Everything started from a Kaizen event in our AP&C plant in Canada, basically. The main topic of this is to reduce the cost of the blade. How to perform this to reduce the cost of raw material that they are currently producing. So everything started from there. Then we have the Gemba in the Canada plant, of course, a P&C plant. And then after that, we see some best practice that we can take in place over here in our Camry plant to improve our powder handling.
We want to do that without duplicating the effort in the company, but instead leveraging and sharing best practices and recommendations across the company.
Our problem statement is clear: to reduce the cost of the powder, how to perform this, starting from the raw materials, but also what we are doing over here. So to avoid scraps, manual operations, and all the stuffs that are wasting money for our shops.
Our Japanese friends call Yokoten this way to make continuous improvement. So we invented a Yokoten week.
Problem solving directly involve Yokoten in the powder handling, because during the Gemba in Montreal we see a lot of action that we can do in our current process that we can implement here in Camry. This is the main reason of this event over here. Yokoten is a best practice sharing. So starting from our expert in Canada, we are here to look at our current process and all the steps that we need to touch to improve our current process. It is basically our first day with look at the first system that we currently have. On the second and third days to have a redesign of our system and also an economical proposal of possible solutions. After Yokoten is finalized the redesign of all other stuffs that needed for the powder handling, and also a budgetary quotation to have an estimate of P&D needed.
Yokoten is one of the key practices coming from flight deck that allows you to multiply the benefit from the events that we are doing across all the sites and all the GE world. Yokoten means read across. So what we are doing is really paste and copy what we are doing in a site to another. We just finished an event in Camry on the additive powder management, and the team in Camry really learned from the team in Montreal how to manage differently the powder in order to gain benefit and cost out.
Having a lot of people from GE Aerospace from different backgrounds is amazing in this event, so that we're able to share about everything, like a 360 view of how we're going to work. You know, being a new flight deck leader, you have to understand what everybody does. And so here we're going to Gemba, we understand everybody's reality. So I love that part, and being able to find a solution that works for everybody is the key when you're trying to improve. That's why I think it's important.
Flight deck is really a mindset that creates, let me say, standardization across the company. So we are all looking at continuous improvement, at excellence, but we are doing it in the same way, all together, through the same tool, through the same operating cadence, through the same action plan and standard work. This is extremely important, because when you talk to the team, you talk to the people, you talk from the leader to all the world of GE, you have the same language, and this allows us to work better.